Hey folks, in this video we'll talk about how to perform budget forecasting with cloud cost, or how do you prepare for your forecast season or your budget season. Collect historical usage and cost data from your cloud providers, cost management tools or APIs. For AWS, it's the core data set and you can get the history of it. Example, retrieve the monthly usage and cost data for the past 12 months for your cloud resources, including compute instances, storage, and data transfer. Identify cost drivers and usage patterns. Analyze the historical data to identify cost drivers and usage patterns specific to your organization. Example, identify which services or projects contributed the most to the overall cloud costs. Determine if there are any recurring patterns or seasonal fluctuations in resource usage. Define budget parameters. Allocate a budget to individual services, projects, or teams based on their historical costs and anticipated future needs. Example, allocate separate budgets for the development team, marketing team, and customer support team. For instance, assign $5,000 per month to the development team's cloud resources. Set cost thresholds and alerts. Establish cost thresholds or limits that trigger notifications or alerts when exceeded. Example, set an alert to notify you when the monthly cloud costs for a particular project exceed 80% of the allocated budget. Collaborate with stakeholders. Involve stakeholders from finance, IT, and development teams in the forecasting process. It helps gather insights and align on budget goals. For example, schedule regular meetings with representatives from each team to discuss upcoming projects, expected resource requirements, and budget considerations. Analyze historical trends and forecast future demand. Use historical data and trends to forecast future resource demands and associated costs. For example, analyze the growth rate of your user base and extrapolate it to estimate the expected increase in resource usage and costs over the next 6 months. Monitor and review. Regularly monitor the actual costs against the forecasted budgets and review the forecasting process for adjustments. For example, compare the forecasted costs with the actual costs on a monthly basis and make necessary changes to the budget allocation or forecasting methodology if significant deviations occur. Continuously optimize. Implement ongoing cost monitoring and optimization practices to ensure efficient resource utilization and cost control. For example, regularly review cost reports, implement tagging strategies for better cost allocation, and leverage automated scaling and scheduling techniques. By following these steps and continuously refining your forecasting process, you can effectively manage cloud costs and stay within your allocated budgets. Remember to adapt these steps to your organization's specific needs and cloud providers' capabilities. That's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.